so open right now, bro.
Alright, boys.
Dude, we had 4 people looking the same angle.
No, they're all facing different angles.
3 guys looking left, or looking right, and 1 guy looking left.
Decision the first place that they were probably going to take. We're brave men.
We're brave men. We're probably going to be the first to swap the time.
These little kids don't call their hits, dude.
Would you just hit him?
Yeah, I'm hitting. Oh shit.
Why did we take Bud?
Oh, you're out.
No, I'm not.
It's fine, we got all the later fucking Dude, I literally just read that this is my first time. I just know a little bit about guns. Don't play tracking any shot at it. Stop holding it. Hey! You can't. Yeah. There's like 3 of us in one window. You can't shoot through the. Right.
Shit. Guys, I need help over here. They're pushing over there. Why the fuck is no one watching over here? I'm the only fucker over there. Good job.
Crisscross applesauce over here. Damn, bro. Let me get a little bit.
Hey, I'm crisscross applesauce shoot through their legs. Oh, damn it.
Can you fit 2 fists?
Okay, real quick if I miss a shot.
Can you fit 2 fists?
Are we looking right? I got him 1 shot and I got him. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, my eye hurts so bad right now.
What?
Like I'm crying. No, I'm sweating so bad. Oh.
Yeah, dude, the one thing about Airsoft, either Airsoft or paintball, you can't scratch your eyes during in the middle of
I see his shadow. You see him?
People behind that comics, just so you know. Alright. Wait till you hear footsteps, then shoot.
Oh, he got headshot.
Oh. God.
So you might want to watch it because they're going to hit you from that window.
I know they can, but I'm more focused on this.
Dude, I don't think anyone's gonna be able to actually get to these 3 windows. If they do, we are serious. If they're able to get to those 3 windows, we're seriously fucked up. Oh, hell yeah. Good try, man. Good try.
God damn it, dude.
Oh, somebody's running up fast. Coming up fast. Woo! I got left away.
Good try, bud.
Sneaky Frenchman.
So watch that door.
He wasn't wearing enough red. Oh, that sucks. Hey, give me a second. I'm gonna shoot the man real quick.
Nice.
Okay.
I don't think they're gonna pass this ball. I don't think so either. I'm watching this corner like a hawk.
Load your fucking MG42, boys.
Huh?
I said load your MG42.
Whoa.
Probably just ricochets.
Yeah. Oh shit, I need to reload. Well, that was great fucking timing, dude. Fuck.
Shit, are they left side?
No, I gotta reload. Does anyone have an extra mag?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll
Yeah, just set it down. Just set it down real quick. I'll just on the floor. Thanks.
Oh no, it's Gabe. Hey, compressor, I got you. Okay, never mind.
Someone needs to watch that side.
I'm watching that fucking doorway! I've been watching the fucking doorway. Someone watch that right doorway. Yep, gotcha.
Do you have a good angle through this doorway?
Yeah, as soon as they fucking cross that ball.
Okay, I'm watching right.
As soon as they cross this ball, I got something. Hey, can you move your lips a little to the right? Fucking shitters, y'all just stood back
That was ridiculous.
Oh my god, can you?
You want from an angle?
Dude, I'm trying to watch the doorway. Y'all are standing in front of it.
Okay, there. Go for it.
No, yeah, because they're trying to push.
Somebody watch that right angle right there.
I don't see anyone over there.
Do we?
Hit!
You
Is
should.
it on the right side? No one's on the right
Where
side.
did that come from?
You sure it's not a ricochet, dude?
Yeah, I'm pretty
There ain't no way they could hit you through this.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm not calling that because
Are you watching that side?
so many they hurt.
All right, if you're watching that doorway, I'm watching the right doorway.
10-4.
Yeah, we do need somebody over there.
Yeah, I'm watching. I've got a tight angle on right doorway.
So quiet. I don't like it.
You get it off. All I hear is the bullets.
Dude, the saloon is like, they're just sitting there.
Well, yeah, they don't really have to do anything yet. If they get
Oh god.
you get hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
See you guys on the other side.
yeah, that,
Yeah.
yeah, this is Scott now.
Oh. Hit, 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 hit. Oh.
Right side.
Ah. No, where do I go? Where do I go?
Nick.
Oh. I hit my shit, man.
Just go out.
No, where do I go? I'm hit. I'm hit.
You have
Hit, right side. Hit, man. No, I need to get out of here. I'm
Dude,
hit.
you guys fucking. Dude, I'm holding
Yeah,
this
I'm
thing
hit,
with 4
man.
people.
I'm hit. Ow!
Fuck.
I'm hit.
Dude,
I'm hit.
hit. Hit. Hit.
You guys not gonna call a parlay?
Loading. Hit.
Hit.
Anyone home? Go in here and open it.
Hit. It's cleared. Thanks.
Everyone?